Okay, so this is actually my second Star Wars action figure review of my collection. And first up, I'm going to give you a look at Clone Commander Bakar's Trooper. And as you can see, he has kind of a dark purple, and he has, he's dirty. That's sometimes what I like about clones, they're dirty. And he has a pack, and his helmet is removable. And there's nothing really to look at in his face. He just has really short hair, kind of like Rex's. If you could see that. So there's him. Next up, I'm going to give you a look at Clone Pilot Oddball. He's actually maybe the leader of the Gold Squadron. Wait, no, not the leader. I think the pilot leader, but Anakin's the leader of the rest of it. And he's kind of goldish on his helmet. And he has the Republic sign on his helmet. See that? Okay, he actually might have died in the movie because he was fixing the ship, and a vulture droid comes in and then it blows up the ship, and yeah, and his helmet is not removable. And there's nothing really to look at on him, so there's him. Next up, I'm going to give you a look at Royal, an ARC Trooper suit. And he's a trooper of Commander Jet in the episode. And you can see that he has a sign right there of that one little girl from that one episode. Where the Rylothers are being hostages of droids, and his helmet is not removable, and he has kind of like a lightish orange, and he's orange, kind of like that's what I'll call it. And so yeah, there's him. And then next up, I'm gonna give you a look at Mikhail Vazov Trooper. He's actually on the movie too. And he kind of has silverish camouflage. You can see that. And he has a little sign on the side of his helmet. If you could see that. And his helmet is not removable. And yeah, so there's him. Then next, I'm going to give you a look at Commander Jet's trooper, one of his troopers. And don't really know much about him, but if you could see the signs right there, I believe that's the sign of Commander Jet's team, maybe. And if you could see, there is shadow parts in different spots. If you could see that. And yeah, his helmet is not removable. And so there's him. And then last up, I'm going to give you a look at Snow Trooper Captain Rex. And this is one of my favorite characters, but I actually lost the pistols maybe. And I took off the pads on his shoulders, and I took off the pack. And this thing could come off. Look, that looks kind of weird though. And here's what it looks like. And yeah. So his helmet is not removable. And I believe he's on the episode with Van Dorns. And yeah, so there's him, and that'll be all for today. And may the force be with you.